Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can force restart your any iPhone. So I'll show you how you can do this. So if you're facing touch issues like your iPhone is not responding to your touch screen, right? And also if your iPhone is not working, you can use force restart trick so to fix your iPhone. So sometimes what happened if our iPhone storage got completely occupied, like 100% filled, or whenever our iPhone face some software glitches, it's stuck to Apple logo, and I'll show you how you can fix it, or either the touch won't work. So how to fix it, I'll show you. So to force restart, you have to press combination of keys, so make sure you press as I'm showing you. So first of all, you have to do it in a quick way, like you can't give much gap in pressing keys, right? So volume up, volume down, and keep press the power button until you see the Apple logo. So again, so volume up, release it, volume down, release it, and power button. So do it quickly. Volume up, volume down, and keep pressing the power button until your phone goes off, and it will show you the Apple logo. As you see Apple logo, release your power button and your phone will restart. So my phone screen goes off and now it will show me the Apple logo, and then you have to release the power button, and that's it. This is the only way to force restart your iPhones, and your phone will reboot as normal iPhone. If the touch is not working, it will fix your issue. If your iPhone stuck in Apple logo or in some boot loop or in something, any other problem, it will fix your issue if it's the software glitch. So that's it. That's the whole simple fix. Hope you guys find this trick helpful. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Thank you so much. Peace.